Question. Evaluate 4 raised to power 2x plus 4 raised to power 2x is equal to 1. Find x. Solution. Now let's write, we have 4 raised to power 2x plus 4 raised to power 2x is equal to 1. Let's factorize 4 raised to power 2x. That is 4 raised to power 2x into brackets 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is 4 raised to power 2x into 2 is equal to 1. Don't forget, bracket in mathematics means multiplication. So we're having 4 raised to power 2x times 2 is equal to 1. So from here, this is same thing as 2 raised to power 2 into bracket raised to power 2x times 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 1. 2 times 2x, that is 2 raised to power 4x times 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 1. According to law of indices, that when we have the same base and multiplication in between them, we have to take one of them and add up their power. That is 2 raised to power 4x plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 it can also be written as 2 raised to power is 0 in indices. So from here, equating the base. So as a result, this will cancel this. We are left with 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Rearrange, and that will give us 4x is equal to minus 1. Divide both sides by 4 because we are looking for x. 4 will cancel 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 over 4. And that is the final. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Academy, and on YouTube, Omile Online Maths. Thank you very much.